Today we're going to talk about the watering history and notification settings in the B-hyve Pro app. From the home screen, simply tap Settings and then Watering History. From here you'll see a list of all of the zones currently active on your controller. You can tap on each zone to see all of the watering events that have happened for that zone since this controller was installed. Then you can tap back to the Settings screen and hit Notifications. Here you can turn on or off all of your notifications or select each one of them individually. Simply tap the switch next to Enable Notifications to turn them all on or off, and then select which types of notifications you'd like to receive. There are notifications for finished watering events, or for when auto wind and rain delays have also been triggered, or for when freeze warnings are active in your area. And there's also notifications for when the device mode for your controller has changed from auto to off, or from off to auto. For more detail on these notifications, there's a help icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Tap that icon to get more explanation for each one of these notifications. And those are the watering history and notification settings in the B-hyve Pro app. For more B-hyve video tutorials, be sure to check out our YouTube channel.